I really only had one shot at making this video today, so let's see if we can do this. The first thing I want to do when I'm trying to cut this leg open for the inside of the suit to make it so that it's single chambered, essentially, is that I want to pull the material of the actual leg back so that I don't have any chance of cutting it when I make my first initial cut into my circle pattern here, which is going to become a single chamber so that it can become a suit. Now, the preference for these is to go roughly 1 inch out from where the joint was originally made. I like to do as small of a snip as possible. This way we have no chance of going into anything we shouldn't be. Then it might be a little bit better to flatten it out. I don't know how well you can see this, but that's the circle for this leg. The others are done already. That's what we're going for. Now this is a reversed unicorn, which will become an interior. This part is somewhat tricky because right now I'm really relying on nothing but the feel of my scissors, and then as soon as I can get something in here, I just want to go in and push back whatever is inside there to make sure that I have no chance of hitting it in this process. Now, it can be better to try to slide the scissors, but that doesn't always work, especially because we're cutting through 2 pieces of this material now. Go in again, push everything back, make sure I didn't cut anywhere. Really just want to make sure everything is down flat inside of there. Okay, now maybe this will be a little easier to see. Might have been a dumb move to record on the front-facing camera, but that was my idea there. Okay. Now, this was an odd choice, leading me to believe that the legs themselves had been made separately and then welded on. But that's not a problem. It really just makes it tougher anyway. So there you go.